So when your son comes up to you and says, "Dad, can we go shoot?" you don't say no. Take every opportunity you can to train him and teach him and spend that time together and enjoy it. So we finished school this morning. He said, "Dad, can we go shoot the scorpion?" It's not really on my agenda today, but I said, "Yeah, let's go do it." So here we go.
Miss. I'm gonna move so I don't hit that. I'm aiming for that front one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Don't hold on target very long. When you bring that weapon up, get the sight on, press. There, you nailed it, dead center. It's whenever you start holding it up there for a long time, you start to fatigue, you start to get tired, and then you start to shake and it's hard to hold.
Yeah.
Sit there, hold it down in front of you, kind of chill, and then when you're ready, get that sucker up, red dot, press. Doing red dot on, press. Hit. So, fire, on target, press. Hit. Was it on safe?
Yep.
Always know the condition of your weapon. Always know where the muzzle's pointed, the barrel. As you're raising it up on target, put it on fire with your thumb, red dot on target, press. Hit. 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 Miss. Rest.
Oh. Hit 2 times or 3?
I think 3.
Oh, 3 shots on the spot.
Yep.
Woo. Yeah, your hand gets tired after that. Oh, we're past 20. 3, 2.
Hit. 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 Miss.
Woo! You see how much times I hit that?
That's pretty good.
Oh! My hand hurts, but that felt good.
Hit. Miss. Miss.
Pico.
That's it. Now you got some more left.
Yeah.
Hit. Safe. Put it on safe, rest. Quit looking after every round to see if you're empty. It's a feeling. You'll know, because you'll feel the bolt not go forward. When you shoot enough, it's a feeling, you know when it's the last round, because the bolt will come back and it'll lock to the rear, but it won't go back forward. And it makes a little bit of a different sound.
Do it.
Alright, safe. Clear and safe.
Bingo.
Alright, check your chamber out.
It is.
Self-check, buddy check.
Here.
Let me check, let me look. Good to go. Here. Yep, we're good. How's that smell?
I'm trying to blow it down a bit.
You like that smell?
Oh, yeah, smell it, smell it.
I know what it smells like.
It kind of smells like...
Alright, good shooting, Tex.